Morning to our viewers. Not a very good morning. 9:12 a.m. is when the first time that the crash was reported to the ATC. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now just expressed his condolences. He said Ajit Pawar ji was a leader of the people, having a strong grassroots level connect. He was widely respected as a hard-working personality at the forefront of serving the people of Maharashtra. His understanding of administrative matters and passion for empowering the poor and downtrodden were also noteworthy. His untimely demise is very shocking and saddening. Condolences to his family and countless admirers. Om Shanti. That's what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed as his condolence message on the sudden death of Ajit Pawar, son of the soil, truly son of the soil. Ajit Dada Pawar, as his followers lovingly called him, as he was even referred to within the Maharashtra polity. 66-year-old, born on the 22nd of July 1959. Ajit Pawar is seen as someone who was a very, very strong administrator. He was passionate about doing good for the people of Maharashtra and especially within the state, beyond the elite and beyond the metros. It was in the heartland of Maharashtra that Ajit Pawar actually really persevered and worked hard and enjoyed a huge amount of equity. Irrespective of whether they were in government or in opposition, Ajit Pawar was always popular among the Aam Marathi Manus or outside, beyond the realm of the urban areas. But he was also someone who was passionately trying to craft his legacy beyond Sharad Pawar. He was out with a point to prove that he could lead the NCP and he could steer it in a direction where there would be an era of the NCP beyond the legacy or beyond perhaps the shadows of Sharad Pawar himself. Son of the soil is what everybody called him, and in a sad turn of events, tragedy though, but he has breathed his last on his own soil, that is Baramati. He was actually heading to Baramati to address a lot of rallies, public rallies, ahead of the scheduled civic body elections in Baramati. So that was one of the Mahanagar Palikas that did not go to the polls at that point. When all about 28, 29 civic body polls were conducted simultaneously across Maharashtra, Baramati was still left, and he was out there campaigning at the grassroots, proving a point that he will be able to rest and also assert himself as someone who can follow in the footsteps and take the NCP forward. The family feud aside, the civic body elections in Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad has actually brought the family back together, and they tried to combine ranks at the civic body polls. But Ajit Pawar had a point to prove. As a Deputy Chief Minister through the COVID period when he was with Uddhav Thackeray, and also thereafter when he switched and joined the Mahayuti with the BJP and the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar was always an effective administrator, a hard-working politician who allowed his work to speak, and he spoke like the local people. He did not bother about the elitist political pragmatism, etc. But he was somebody who would always connect with the locals, always connect with the people, and always there to listen to them. Now, we've got more news coming through. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sending out his condolences, his tribute, saying he had strong grassroots level connect, and anybody and everybody in Maharashtra who understands the politics of Maharashtra will say that. We got a reaction coming in from G. Kishan Reddy.
देश के लिए, महाराष्ट्र का विकास के लिए साहस से निर्णय लेकर राजनीति में खड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति है और कभी भी किसके सामने झुका नहीं। वो महाराष्ट्र विकास होना चाहिए, महाराष्ट्र के गरीब लोगों को सेवा करना चाहिए, ऐसे निर्णय लेकर वो काम किया है। और अजित पवार के कारण, अजित पवार जी का परिवार का हो, उनका खुद का पार्टी का हो, महाराष्ट्र के लिए भी हो और एनडीए के लिए भी बहुत नुकसान है। मैं उनका परिवार को साहस देने के लिए मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, उनका आत्मा को शांति दे।
G. Kishan Reddy also saying that he was a grassroots level leader, always passionate about the growth of Maharashtra and about the future and doing good for Maharashtra. Ajit Dada Pawar will be missed, sorely missed. The family is rushing. They were all based in Delhi. They're all rushing towards Baramati. Arun Dhanta joins us. So tributes pouring in for someone who was seen as a true son of the soil and someone who was a grassroots leader. The Prime Minister also underlining the same, even as we have pictures of a very emotional Anil Deshmukh there. Arun.
Well, that's right, Anand. Condolences are pouring in on social media. Prime Minister Modi has put out, in fact, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah. In fact, both Prime Minister and Home Minister have spoken to the family of, late Ajit Pawar. Of course, as you've been speaking about the works that he has done, it's a loss not only for the Maharashtra's politics, but for the nation's politics. He's somebody who has pan-party relationship. He was known as Ajit Dada Pawar, in his area. And in fact, right now, as we speak, Anand, I am outside the Sharad Pawar's residence. In fact, a short while ago, Supriya Sule had left from here. She will, of course, be straight away heading to Baramati. It's a very, very difficult times for the entire family. We saw, of course, there were issues amongst the family when he came out of the NCP, but still the family relationship was very much intact. In fact, when Supriya Sule left, her face was extremely in deep pain. That's what we could see in those visuals. In fact, we also saw that NCP MPs coming here, and in fact, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, Priyanka Chaturvedi, Neeraj Shekhar, all of them had come here, met Supriya Sule, and in fact, all of them, when they came out, they didn't speak to media, but they were also very, very in deep anguish. That's something which we can see. And Ajit Dada Pawar, of course, who's known for his unique way of working, the way of especially he worked for Baramati. I myself had gone to Baramati. I saw there the kind of developments that he has done, and that's the reason why, Anand, it has always reflected in the elections that there was a clear edge to Ajit Pawar in that area. But today, of course, we lost him. Very, very unfortunate day, and the entire family is rushing for Baramati now. From here, Supriya Sule and some family members, and also Sharad Pawar from Mumbai and others will shortly be seen there in Baramati.
Despite their political differences, Arun, and to our viewers, despite their political differences, the family remained close. They did not break away family ties, and they were not adversarial. There was still a certain level of link and also proximity among the family members, and deep amount of respect between Ajit Pawar and also Supriya Sule, despite the tussle that who would be the political legatee of Sharad Pawar.